Hello.
Hello everyone. We're starting our California vlog. I just picked up Olivia. We have our suitcase in the back. We're very excited. We're gonna be sad. We're so sad.
We made it to security.
We're boarding. We're here.
Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Oh, you can barely see anything. Oh, there we go. Like a mile-long walk to the rental car thingy. And I forgot my membership card, so I might have to pay my young driver fee, but we moved. It's fine.
That's fine.
He'll be okay.
Are you filming?
I am
putting
filming.
our Harry car freshener in.
Harry car freshener because we can't go anywhere without.
Because he is with us always.
He's with us always. Look at him! Ah! And the nice rental car. My water bottle fits in the cup holder. Everything's right in the world.
I'm so mad that I couldn't use my credit card. Oh, well. Oh, it's funny.
I'm gonna get the fun stuff. Morning, everyone.
Hi.
Olivia's sick this morning because she ate In-N-Out last night and she doesn't eat beef, so she's on the struggle bus.
Living off Tums.
She's on the struggle train right now. We're going to Beachwood Cafe in like an hour, and we're gonna do LA stuff. So lots of Harry Styles stuff.
Because I'm insane.
So we'll keep you posted. While Lex is in the bathroom, here's my fit of the day. Satellite stopper. Okay, anyways. Here's the fit for the day. I'm vlogging.
We're on our way to the Beachwood Cafe.
We got our good luck charm.
We got our good luck charm. Can you see it? It's Harry.
It's Harry. The only bad thing that's happened so far is me eating beef.
Yeah,
that's been an actual bad thing. Still not feeling great,
She's a
but
little sick. It's okay.
it's alright. We move.
The Hollywood sign is right there. I'll video in a second, but I'm gonna video my reaction to seeing the Beachwood Cafe. I'm ready to see the Beachwood Cafe. Oh wait, that's it. The blue. Oh, it's real.
It's right there.
Sign.
It's not a myth. We're here. So much fun. We're set.
I'm so
Olivia's so excited.
for the vlog.
I did too. I'm vlogging.
Apparently I'm supposed to film the bathroom because Harry Styles has been in this bathroom. It's for the vlog because I said I would add it, but I'm in the bathroom. I just used the same toilet as Harry Styles. It's a good day to be me.
Beachwood Cafe was so much fun.
It was really good.
It was yummy.
I literally just lived my dream.
Yeah, she
That's
did.
it. I can die happy
She
now.
did. Now we're going to go up to the Griffith Observatory. It opens in a couple minutes, so we're gonna get there when it opens, and we're gonna do a little peruse. We don't know how long we're gonna stay. La La Land. Tourist. We're almost at the Griffith Observatory. We're having parking troubles. We feel a bit foolish. We didn't go straight. We turned. We had to go basically all the way back down to the bottom, but yeah, we were dumb. Oh, we're back to the parking area. Okay. Bye bye.
The only LA traffic I've experienced thus far.
Okay, after like a freaking long hike, we've made it to the Griffith Observatory. How fun! For the vlog. That was a lot of fun. We had a great time. Now we're hiking back down and we're going to head to the Walk of Fame and do the really touristy things. Because Olivia's here, she's never been. So we're gonna go to the Ramon's Chinese Theater, see the handprints. We're gonna see some stars. What else are we doing?
People with kindness.
We're seeing
do you know who our signs?
the Harry Styles signs. So that's the next part of our day. We're approaching our car, and I don't know if we vlogged it, but the pay thing to pay for parking, none of them are working, and so we're approaching the car and we're getting a reaction to if we have a ticket or not.
If we don't have a ticket, it's because of Harry's good
Yeah.
juju.
Okay. Is this our car?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
We're at our car.
Wait.
It's a rental. I don't care. Oh, sleigh.
It's Harry. It's Harry.
We have no ticket. Yay! Okay, we parked at the Dolby Theater, and now we are headed out to the Walk of Fame, and we're gonna have fun. Jimmy Kimmel Live. They are getting ready for the Little Mermaid premiere. Little Mermaid carpet is right there. Olivia's gonna cry because there's the Harry Styles. Are you actually crying?
No.
She's crying.
This is the best day of my life.
This is the best day of her life.
In all of their glory. you are. Bop, 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 bop.
Made it back from LA. We're in Irvine right now. I'm showing Olivia the Irvine Spectrum Center because it's my favorite mall. So we're gonna window shop.
I thought there was an H&M and like squealed.
We're not spending money. Well, you can spend money. I'm gonna try not to spend money. I'm gonna window shop. We'll see. Well, we'll see what she does. We just went into Brandy Melville. We guessed our prices spot on. They have no prices in there. I guess 85, 60. She guessed 60, 62. And we're in H&M, but we're leaving because we already spent money. It's so pretty right now.
Okay, so little backstory here.
Oh, look, right here.
Little backstory. I lived in Hawaii for 2 years and I haven't seen the ocean since I moved away. When I was 14 is when I left. And I'm 18. There she is. The good old Pacific Ocean. There to welcome me back. I don't want to cry. I'm fine.
We're both just so happy right now. It's so pretty.
Guys, you're not gonna believe what just happened to us. The most embarrassing thing ever just happened.
So we wanted to go get Jersey Mike's because
we're hungry.
Because it's 8:35. We drive up, we park, we get out of the car.
Dude sitting in
the
there.
lights are all on. There's a dude sitting behind the counter, not doing anything, just chilling. I go to open the door, and it just.
And she pulled us so hard, and it was locked.
It was locked. The homeboy just
closed.
and so we both.
Homeboy just stared at us.
Homeboy just stared at us. We both run back to the car. Alexa's screaming over here, and she gets in the car, and she can't even unlock it because she's like panicking, and she like shrinks down. She's like, I've never been so embarrassed in my life, and then she just sits and like won't pull out because she's so embarrassed.
That was so embarrassing.
It closes at 8. Why are you standing there staring at us with the lights on, acting like you're open?
Who closes at 8? Seriously.
I don't know, but if you're going to, act like it.
Open till 1 a.m.
Even
Subway's probably
at
open
this
until
point,
at least 9.
At this point, I'm willing to try a salad in and out.
How should we get in and out?
I don't want beef. No more beef for me. Fries. But
hello.
we are on our way to Disney, and I've got my Disney playlist going. Le Petit Chateau. That's what I named the playlist. The little castle.
Oh, stop! Slandering my castle.
I grew up with Disney World, so that's what I'm used to. I'm used to the
slander.
I'm used to the literal monster castle. This one's a little petite for me. At least I'm not calling it dinky.
Like some people.
Some people
watching this.
You know who you are.
You know who you are.
Guys, we are at the gates. I'm so excited for Olivia because
I haven't been since I was 2.
we're gonna go get in and we're gonna take you with us on this beautiful day. We literally only came to ride Splash Mountain one more time. So it's like, I'm showing her our brick really quick.
She's so cool. Her family has a brick.
We have a brick. We actually own property here.
It's my property. This one is mine, and then this one is my cousin's. You've seen my property.
Very nice.
Hey, we're in. We're in. She's already crying until she sees the little castle. She's so happy. It's so cute though. I love it. After Starbucks, we got our drinks. We're headed to a locker, and we're headed to Peter Pan.
Look how precious.
There's the castle. She loves it. Oh my gosh. It's so open right now.
Such a Disney adult.
Alice in Wonderland, fun fact about this ride is that my grandpa was a Disney Imagineer, and he's the one that designed the ride vehicle. He sold it to Walt Disney, the patent, for $1, because legally he had to sell it, but he didn't need to sell it, so he sold it for $1. So I will show you the vehicle my grandpa designed.
So that ride vehicle, she designed it.
She's so happy. Headed on teacups. Hello. Hello. We moved.
Seems heavy, actually.
I was gonna say.
Headed to Indiana Jones.
Second pee break because Lex can't handle Starbucks.
Because I had Starbucks. She's never been on it. Well, no, she's never been on it.
I've never been on this one.
So we're excited.
I'm a Disney World
Except
regular.
she gets afraid of Haunted Mansion, so I feel like she's gonna get afraid of this one.
No, it's literally just because they're just like off. The vibes are off in Haunted
Okay,
Mansion.
okay,
It's
whatever.
fun. The vibes are off.
Off of Thunder Mountain, or no, Haunted Mansion. But we're heading to Thunder Mountain. We don't know if we're gonna wait though. because it's 40 minutes, so we might just wait to get a Genie Plus thing. I think we're gonna go on Pinocchio right now. Want to go on Pinocchio? Yeah. I don't know. Probably like 5 minutes. Now we're going on Snow White. It's Small World!
It's actually gorgeous.
She's only ever seen the Disney World one, so she's...
Well, I've technically seen this
Girl,
one.
you can stop saying that. You don't remember. I look naked without my ears. When we were getting on Small World, I mentioned that it was 10 minutes long, and Olivia goes, "It is not 10 minutes." And I was like, "Yes, it is." She's like,
You're like, maybe 5.
"No," but I was fairly certain it was 10.
Yeah.
And so she was like, "Fine, we're gonna time it." I was like, "Okay, time it." So we timed it, 8 minutes, 56 seconds. I was 1 minute off. Going to Space Mountain, except it's Hyperspace Mountain right now, which sucks because we don't like Star Wars, but
Hey, I'm not a hater. It's just not my favorite.
I don't like Star Wars. But we're doing that.
That's a bold statement.
Yeah, actually I take it back. Don't come for me. I love Star Wars. I love it. We're getting ready to go on Space Mountain. We got our lunch. It's my second favorite meal at Disneyland. Grilled cheese tomato soup. It's delicious. It's so good. Mexican food is my favorite. I want to show you Olivia's Smee cosplay. We got matching shirts at the mall yesterday. She's wearing hers today. And she's cosplaying as Smee from Peter Pan. She's got the red shoes and the shirt.
The striped shirt.
I'm going to put a picture of him right here.
I just need the beat.
Wait. My grandpa has a window on Main Street. There it is. I'll show you. There it is. We switched out our tennis shoes for Birkenstocks so that we don't have to have wet socks. And we're headed to Splash Mountain. Olivia really does not want to go on it.
I mean, I do, but like, childhood me kind of still scared of it.
But the whole reason we came on this trip was to go on Splash Mountain one more time. We will be there. We're getting on. She's not happy. Going on Winnie the Pooh. We're on churro number 2. Oh.
Le Petit Chateau.
In line for Astro Blasters, and I'm pretty confident I'm gonna win, but we'll see who gets the highest score. Serious. You're lying. We're doing Haunted Mansion again. 4:45, so the day's coming to a close and we're riding this again. We're finally on Thunder Mountain. It took like 2 or 3 tries. But we're here. We're sat in the back. Lord knows we are not Star Wars girls. We're going into Star Wars because we feel like we have to go into Star Wars.
Dad.
We're gonna get some blue milk and then we're gonna get out of here.
Call it a day.
Because I just really couldn't care less. Sorry, not sorry. She got the green milk and she got the blue milk.
All right.
I prefer the blue. I've had the blue a lot, but I've never had the green, and this is kind of weird. Do you like it? She's unimpressed. We are on Dumbo!
Listen, I've got nothing against.
We're not being rude, but
I've got nothing against Star Wars fans, but they're unavoidable. They're everywhere.
like full costume.
All of them. All of them.
She's ready. Well, the park is closing in like 45 minutes, and we are just going to go ahead and get in line for Space Mountain. It's a 65-minute wait. We were gonna do Thunder Mountain and then get in line for Space Mountain at the last minute, but Thunder Mountain is closed, so yeah. One more ride. standby line went up to 80, but we have nothing better to do, so we're gonna do it. It's been 25 minutes and we're still in line, so
We're still like pretty far, like
We're
not
gonna-
far into the line.
yeah, we'll be checking in a lot. Doing a check-in, we're at the 52-minute mark.
Barely went anywhere since the last video. too.
Yeah, we still have a long way to go. Well, yeah, a long way to go. Okay, it's been an hour and 4 minutes, and we're in the loading room. Have a few more minutes, and then we'll be on. We had fun.
It was a great day.
It was. We're going down
So pretty.
down Main Street. Time to leave. Very sad. We are at the airport, heading home, unfortunately. We're really nervous this is gonna be overweight because we bought a lot of stuff, and it was 41 pounds on the way here. So we have 9 pounds left, and then we'll see how much it weighs. We'll try to get a video of the weight, and hopefully I don't have to pay anything extra. Okay guys, we're good. I think it was like 45, so we only added
really
4.
see it, but
I'm pretty sure I saw it like right before I covered. 45 is, I'm pretty sure what it was. So we only added 4 pounds. Thank goodness. I was really nervous. I don't know what the fee was, but I bet it was like $100. We're sad to be making this video, but we are back home where there is nothing to do. But we had a fun trip, I believe. And yeah,
Unfortunately, we're back.
we're back. But we had fun, and we hope you enjoyed our vlog. Bye.